गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर टूल्स टेक्निक में बात करेंगे डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बारे में। तो डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अगर मीनिंग देखें तो डीएनए को ट्रांसफॉर करना यानी कि बदलना, या डीएनए जो है किसी भी जीव का, एनिमल या प्लांट का है, उसमें दूसरा डीएनए डालना या ट्रांसफ़र करना, ये डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहलाता है। तो इसकी एक बायोलॉजिकल लैंग्वेज है, डेफिनेशन है, वो क्या होगी? तो कहाँ पर डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का यूज़ किया जाता है? तो मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी और जो जेनेटिक्स होती है वहाँ पर डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया जाता है और नई किस्म के जीव उत्पन्न किए जाते हैं। तो यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन जान लेते हैं। इन मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी एंड जेनेटिक्स, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज द genetic alteration of a cell resulting from the direct uptake and incorporation of exogenous genetic material from its surrounding through the cell membrane. इन मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी एंड जेनेटिक्स एक जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, ये जेनेटिक अल्ट्रेशन होता है। जो सेल में डीएनए पाया जाता है उसका जो आनुवांशिक पदार्थ होता है डीएनए, उसमें परिवर्तन किया जाता है। यह डीएनए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कहलाता है। जो सेल मटेरियल होता है जिसमें बीच में सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस पाया जाता है, न्यूक्लियस में डीएनए उपस्थित होता है। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टू टेक प्लेस द रिसिपिएंट बैक्टीरियम मस्ट बी in a state of competence which might occur in nature as a time limited response to environmental conditions such as starvation and cell density, and may also be induced in a laboratory। यहाँ पर एक डायग्राम फ्लो चार्ट टाइप से दिखाया गया है, आउटलाइन की। जो बैक्टीरियल सेल होती है उसमें जीन जो है किस तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाता है। तो फर्स्ट जो डायग्राम दिखाया गया है, इसमें पहले जो बैक्टीरिया का जीन होता है उसको कट किया जाता है और अदर जीन इस बैक्टीरिया के जीन में इंसर्ट किया जाता है। इंसर्ट करने के बाद में बैक्टीरिया ग्रो करता है, डिवाइड करता है और जो डीएनए इंसर्ट किया है उसकी मेनी कॉपीज बनाता है। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज वन ऑफ three process for horizontal gene transfer, in which exogenous genetic material passes from one bacterium to another, the other two being conjugation, transfer of genetic material between two bacterial cells in direct contact, and transduction, injection of foreign DNA by a bacteriophage virus into the host bacterium. In transformation, the genetic material passes through the intervening medium, uh, and uptake in is completely dependent on the recipient bacterium. As of 2014, about 80 species of bacteria were known to be capable of transformation, about evenly divided between gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. The number might be an overestimate since several of the reports are supported by single papers. Transformation may also be used to describe the insertion of new genetic material into non-bacterial cells, including animals and plant cells. However, because transformation technique transformation technique has a special meaning in relation to animal cell, indicating progression to a cancerous state. The process is usually called transfection. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की हिस्ट्री देखें तो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, किसने इसको इन्वेंट किया। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन बैक्टीरिया वाज फर्स्ट डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड इन 1928 by the British bacteriologist Frederick Griffith. Griffith was interested in determining whether injection of heat-killed bacteria could be used to vaccinate mice against pneumonia. However, he discovered that a non-virulent strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae could be made virulent after being exposed to heat-killed virulent strain. Griffith hypothesized that some transforming principle from the heat-killed strain was responsible for making harmless strain virulent. In 1944, this transforming principle was identified as being genetic by Oswald Avery, Colin MacLeod, and MacLean McCarthy. They isolate DNA from a virulent strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae, and using just this DNA were able to make a harmless strain virulent. They call this uptake and incorporation of DNA by bacteria transformation. The result of Avery et al. Experiments were at first skeptically received by scientific community, and it was not until the development of genetic marker and discovery of other method of genetic transfer, conjugation in 1947 and transduction in 1953 by Joshua Lederberg that Avery's experiments were accepted. It was originally thought that E. coli, a commonly used laboratory organism, was refractory to transformation. However, in 1970, Morton, Mendel, and Akiko Higa showed showed that E. coli may be induced to take up DNA from bacteriophage lambda without the use of helper phage after treatment with calcium chloride solution. 2 years later, in 1972, Stanley Norman Cohen, Annie Chang, and Leslie Hasu showed that calcium chloride treatment is also effective for transformation of plasmid DNA. The method of transformation by Mendel and Higa was later improved upon by Douglas Hanahan. The discovery of artificial induced competence in E. coli created an efficient and convenient procedure for transforming bacteria, which allow for simple molecular cloning method in biotechnology and research, and it is now a routinely used laboratory procedure. Transformation using electroporation was developed in the late 1980s, increasing the efficiency of in vitro transformation and increasing the number of bacterial strains that could be transformed. Transformation of animal and plant cell was also investigated, with the first transgenic mouse being created by injection a gene creating by injection a gene for a rate growth hormone into a mouse embryo in 1982. In 1907, a bacterium that caused plant tumor, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, was discovered, and in the early 1970s, the tumor-inducing agent was found to be a DNA plasmid called Ti plasmid. by removing the gene in the plasmid that cause the tumor and adding in novel genes. Researchers were able to infect plant with uh, tumefacience and let the bacteria insert their chosen DNA into the genome of the plant. Not all plant cells are susceptible to infection by Agrobacterium tumefaciens, so that methods were developed including electroporation and microinjection. Particle bombardment was made possible with the invention of the Biolistic Particle Delivery System gene gun by John Sanford in 1980. Next, gene transformation definition is transformation is one of the three forms of horizontal gene transformation that occur in nature among bacteria, in which DNA encoding for a trait passes from one bacterium to another bacterium. जैसा कि आपको पहले बताया गया था, in which DNA encoding for a trait passes from one bacterium to another bacterium and is integrated into the recipient genome by homologous recombination. In other words, other two are transduction carried out by means of bacteriophage and conjugation, in which a gene is passed through direct contact between bacteria. In transformation, the genetic material passes through the intervening medium and uptake is completely dependent on the recipient bacterium. Competence refer to a temporary state of being able to take up exogenous DNA from the environment. It may be induced in a laboratory. It appears to be an ancient process inherited from a common prokaryotic ancestor that is a beneficial adaptation for promoting recombinational repair of DNA damage, especially is damage acquired under stressful conditions. Natural genetic transformation appear to be an adaptation for repair of DNA damage that also generate genetic diversity. Transformation has been studied in medical important gram-negative bacteria species such as Helicobacter pylori, Legionella pneumophila, Neisseria meningitis, Neisseria gonorrhea, Haemophilus influenza, and Vibrio cholerae. It has also been studied in gram-negative bacteria, gram-negative species found in soil such as Pseudomonas, Sturgeon, Acinetobacter, Acinetobacter bayi, and gram-negative plant pathogens such as Ralstonea and Xylella. Transformation among gram-positive bacteria has been studied in medically important research such as Streptococcus pneumoniae mutant, the aureus, and in gram-positive soil bacterium Bacillus subtilis. It has also been reported in at least 30 species of proteobacteria distributed in the classes alpha, beta, gamma, and epsilon. The best study proteobacteria with respect to transformation are medically important human pathogens. Neisseria gonorrhea class is beta, Haemophilus influenza class Gamma, Helicobacter pylori class Epsilon. Transformation may also be used to describe the insertion of new genetic material into non-bacterial cell, including animals and plant cell. However, because transformation has a special meaning in relation to animal cell, indicating progression to a cancerous state, natural competence and transformation.